I love spinach dip. We should make one using canned spinach. Popeyes canned spinach. Egg, 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 egg. And why are we using Popeye spinach? Because it's National Popeye Day. Grab a bowl. We need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 8 ounces of sour cream, and a half cup of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a little onion powder, a shake of garlic powder. Let's mix that all in. Half a cup of sharp cheddar. Stir that in. I drained a can of spinach. Let's dump it in. Did you know that when Popeye the cartoon came out, that the consumption of spinach raised 33% in the population? People were really wanting more iron in their lives. Gently stir it in. I have a can of artichoke hearts that I'm going to chop up a bit. Let's add those too. You can also add things like water chestnuts or red pepper flakes. Mix it in. And let's add that to a baking dish. Top with another half cup of shredded cheddar. And bake it at 450 degrees for about 15 minutes. You want that cheese to be nice and bubbly. Popeye was one of my favorite characters as a child. I remember going to the grocery store with my mom and seeing a nice can of this Popeye spinach right there on the aisle. And I said, I need it, I need it, I need it. And my mom said, if you get it, you'll have to eat the whole can. And I said, yes, 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 yes. I want to have muscles like Popeye. So I got home and she poured the can of spinach on a plate. And I sat at the dining room table looking at that lumpy blob of spinach. And I tasted it. And I absolutely hated it. And I sat at that table for hours trying to eat that can of spinach. Allow to sit for 10 minutes. And then time to serve. With some crackers. That's good. Makes the spinach taste pretty awesome. It's a good spinach dip. I'd give it a 7.9 out of 10. I just got a dog that loves to do cheerleading. It's a Pomeranian.